His Lordship, yes, it is true that the paragraph that I seek to expunge is paragraph 16.
Paragraph 16 of this affidavit.
Who's affidavit?
The applicant's affidavit. That is Obuli Namenya.
Melon, permit me my lord, again, because we have to be fair to the court, my colleague has to be candid and confirm to the court. The reason is withdrawing that paragraph 16 is because the claim there is factually false. Because you can't just withdraw and leave the world thinking
it. That paragraph 16. Can you read it? The paragraph
1. Your Lordship, are you having the same application?
Read as paragraph 10, which you want to withdraw, and paragraph 16, so that we can consider if you can withdraw.
Yes,
and confess in the law.
We give Mr. Debo, my lord, your leadership the opportunity to
Yes. Let me read those paragraphs
here
so that we can sit down.
No, I agree. I'm just saying, protect him from these tutorials that he's getting from this.
Please read that paragraph.
Your Lordship, I wish to say that most respectively, I wish to say no more with respect to the paragraph.
This direction to court, read paragraph 10.
16, paragraph 16,
paragraph 10.
May I have some peace, Your Lordship? How many people are in conduct of this trial, Your Lordship?
Listen.
Who is in conduct?
Listen. Bananjiro.
Yes, Your Lordship, I read.
You have applied to expand paragraph 10 and paragraph 16.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Can you read those paragraphs which we intend to expand?
Your Lordship, paragraph 16 says that
paragraph 10.
And Your Lordship, may I take note that these paragraphs have been expunged?
One, we have to expand those paragraphs.
That has been application to expand them. The petitioners have credible information that Honorable Mrima is a close associate to the proposed deputy president, one Mr. Kidore Kindiki, and that the said judge failed, refused, or neglected to disclose those facts to the parties at the inception. The basis of the application to expunge that particular paragraph is on the basis that the same has been linked to the affidavit sworn in petition 015. Paragraph 16, that Lady Justice Mugambi is conflicted as she should excuse herself, as she was Mr. Kidore Kindiki's LLM student at Moi University.
You are no LLM program at Moi University.
You will have your time to submit, sir. And that's why I'm expanding. That's why I'm expanding this paragraph. That is what my client said. A crucial issue that she failed and or refused to disclose to the parties. My client has learned that she was not an LLM there and that she only took her degree in that university.
We have no objection to anything being expunged, subject to the court observing that if this witness has lied about these two issues, what else has he lied about?
Issues to be made.